Talk of my whip, that car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a severed power cord to, you know, something like a portable heater, or in this case it's a portable heater, you know, or a power cord, as long as you have a clean end on it or something like that. Now this is what happened. As you can see, it's been severed. So all you gotta do is cut down the middle of it, or cut the sheathing off of it. Get your two ends, do that on both sides, and then you're gonna solder them together. And you can buy like a little soldering stick, like something like this. I think I bought mine at Walmart for less than 10 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these ends cleaned up, and then while that soldering wand thing is heating up, I'll get this stripped down. Now, these individual wires are easy, even though they're not color coded. They do have a rib side and a smooth side, so obviously attach the right ones back to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the wires a little bit. Rib side. I'm going to push the wires in together like so. Twist them together. Should be hot enough now. Take your solder. Using a flux makes it a lot easier, but I don't have any flux, so just get that nice and hot. Alright, that's one side. Again, open up the wires. Open up the wires. Push them together. Give them a little bit of a twist.
Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
And that's it. You now have a good connection between the two, and then just tape them up once they've cooled off. And they cool off pretty quick, so let's go ahead and get some electrical tape over them. Okay, and once you got them taped up, then you just tape the cord back up so that it's not separated like this. And that's it. Now let's see if it works. Go ahead and plug it in. And it's working. There we go. And it's fixed. It works. Now my wife can have heat at work. Alright. Hopefully this video helped you guys out if you guys are curious about soldering things together like wires or a power cable or something simple like that. It is pretty easy. Like I said before, it does make it a lot easier if you have I think it's called flux. It's basically like a, I don't know, it's like an oily substance that you dip the wire in, and it basically makes it like really heats up the wire when you touch it with the soldering wand or gun or whatever you have, and it pulls the solder through and into the wires, making for a better solid connection. Now you can do it without it. It's just easy with the flux, but I didn't have any flux on me, so yeah. That's it for now, guys. Until next time, if this video was helpful for you, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, leave a comment, you know, something, you know. Until next time, guys, peace out and never look back.